Oh, this is a sad day, guys. Yeah, well, he's the elderly. He's nearly 15 years old. He's dying. He's had a good life, man. Won't eat, won't drink. He's fell off his perch a few times. I've been told that he might have had a stroke. He can't keep his head up. Poor little sod. Hello, Giz. The problem with birds, they deteriorate so fast that you just can't do anything about them. The vets have said he probably won't even make it to the vets. So, yeah, sad day, guys. Got the kids coming down tonight to say goodbye to him, if he's still here. He can't sit on his perch anymore, so I've put all his food down here, put a little towel in for him, keep him a bit more comfy. Poor little sod. Strawberry birds, guys, they hide any illnesses so well. It's crazy. And most times you don't find out until it's too late. Yeah. State that Gizmo's in now. So we're just going to leave him be, and yeah, that's it. That's all I can do. Let him sleep.